Welcome to another episode of New Face Podcast. I confess to being a slow reader and a poor writer who even failed writing in high school. My point? Good grades aren't everything I passionately believe in education, but specifically the kind that teaches you what you need for success. For true financial success, you need three types of education. 1. Scholastic education. This teaches reading, writing, and math. I was a C student, uninterested in the curriculum. 2. Professional education. This teaches you to work for money, preparing you for a job or self-employment. I became a ship's officer and a pilot, but didn't use these professions to build wealth. 3. Financial education. This is the crucial one. It teaches you to have money work for you. Business schools often just train executives to work for the rich. My rich dad advised me that to be rich, I needed a real-world financial education, not another traditional degree. This is the most valuable asset you can gain.